Thank you, Tina.
We won them, and this one is like the last one for now.
The last.
So, how do you react to this judgment?
Especially to the remarks made by Justice John Inyang Okoro. Absolutely one day, who does hold office in INEC. Absolutely.
It is a day of great delight. We are very pleased with the outcome that the mandate expressed by the people of Adamawa State, as affirmed by INEC, as affirmed by the tribunal, as affirmed by the Court of Appeal, has been affirmed today by the Supreme Court. But it is also a sobering moment for us as a people, that strong words were used by the court as to the quality, character, and integrity of people appointed into the offices for managing and conducting elections. I do not want to call the name of His Lordship by name. You are all there. His Lordship was categoric. He was very explicit. He was very strong that leadership in this country must carefully select the people to be entrusted with the sublime responsibility of manifesting the democratic will of the people into election results. I think this is an exhortation that all of us must take seriously. The executive, the legislature, the nation, the citizens. We must rise up to the responsibility to enrich and deepen our democracy, so that the result of the election is the actual and accurate reflection of the will of the people.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.